Hello, educators. Welcome to this short introduction to online learning. I hope you find it informative and helpful. Distance learning or online learning, aren't they the same? Distance learning is learning where the teacher and the student are in different locations. They communicate through mail, video, TV, or online. Online learning is any learning that takes place online. It can be from a distance, or the teacher and student can be in the same room. There are different models for online learning. Number one is online only. The student interacts with the teacher and other students online from a remote location. Number two is online with a central location. The student does all coursework online, but attends in a central location where there is a computer, internet connection, and an instructor present. Number three is a hybrid online class. The student completes some classwork online remotely, as well as attends class at a central location with a teacher and classmates for other course requirements. Number four is blended learning. This occurs in a classroom at a school with the teacher and classmates. The teacher has designed portions of the curriculum to be completed online in class. This is a change from traditional learning. How did this come to be? Historically, the first distance learning is correspondence by mail. In 1728, the first correspondence shorthand course is advertised in the Boston Gazette. In 1858, the University of London is the first university to offer distance learning degrees. In 1892, the term distance learning is coined by the University of Wisconsin-Madison. New technologies created innovations in distance learning. In 1906, the University of Wisconsin begins recording lectures and sending them to students on phonograph records. In 1956, Chicago Public Television broadcasts college courses, and New York University with CBS launches Sunrise Semester. In 1969, Open University is founded as the first university to offer only distance learning using radio and television broadcasts. Then, online learning is born. In 1989, the World Wide Web is developed. In 1995, the first university course is delivered on the web by Gerald Maddox at Penn State University. In 1999, the term e-learning is coined. In 2006, 89% of public colleges and universities offer online classes. 60% of private institutions do also. In 2008, the concept of the flipped classroom is introduced to K-12 education. So you're going to teach online. Best practices for online learning are an extension of best practices in the traditional classroom with some special considerations. First, design with the end in mind. What standards will your students need to meet? Second, familiarize yourself with the technology you and your students will be using. Third, align your activities to your standards. What digital products will provide evidence of learning? Fourth, design interaction into your course. Students do best with student content, student-teacher, and student-student interaction. Give immediate and/or timely feedback. Fifth, establish norms for interaction. Model and establish acceptable academic interaction between students. Sixth, design both formative and summative assessments with feedback, allowing for different student learning styles, abilities, and interests. 7, modify and adjust. Reflect on what is working well and what needs improvement as your students progress through the course. Technology is always changing. Online learning in the future will not be limited to computers, tablets, and mobile devices. Exciting new technology is being developed and refined every day. Think of how you might use robotics, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and wearable technology to help your students learn. Thank you for listening. If you have further questions, contact me at spurcell2@gcu.edu.